Welcome back to my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News. Viewers, if you want to get the breaking news of today, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News and press bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Yoshua Hirano and Yuta Jingoji announced to join Hideaki Takizawa following Ken Maiki. This time the former Kinpuri live stream will appear show Hirino and Yuta Jinguchi, who left King and Prince on May 22nd and left Johnny's office, and former vice presidents of Johnny office and representative of the entertainment company Tobe Hideaki Takizawa on the 7th. It was announced on the company's official YouTube channel live distribution.